So here we have our gauge 1, the sluice gauge, and you can see this is the gauge 2, and to the very end of the flume we can see another sluice gauge, so water will coming out from here. Okay, here is what we need to do to get the water depth from the point gauge. And first we need to turn the knob, let the point gauge going down touch the bottom of the surface. We can get one measurement, and then we turn it up until the tip of the point gauge reach the surface, the water surface. We can get another reading, and do the subtracting, we can get the water depths. So just like what we did in lab 3 and lab 4, we use the main pump to suck the water up to the overhead tank. And here we have 2 valves which can used to control the water coming down from the overhead tank to the flume. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in here is I try to adjust the opening of the valve on the vertical pipe to a certain degree, so we can somehow manage to control the flow rate coming down from the head tank to the flume, and to be in a proper range, and it won't be too large or too small. If the flow rate is too big, you will see the overfill of the channel. If it's too small, basically you will see very shallow water depths and with the fluctuation. So we won't be able to get a good measurement, which will lead to a big error in the calculation. So once we adjust the opening, so we won't change the valve opening on the vertical pipe anymore. If we do need to change the flow rate, we could use the valve on the side of the flume. I will show you later. Okay, here I'm about to turn on the main pump. something I forgot to mention is the partial flume. And I just found out a picture from previous year, and the student is standing on the partial flume. Okay, there's a scale in the tube, right beside the foot of the student. And if you look into the tube, you will see the water elevation over there. And I will bring you the value of the water depths for each data set. So you will have the H1, H2, and the partial flume water depths. So after that, since you got all the information you need, you can start the data analysis. So pretty much that's it for today. Thank you for watching.